Welcome to my world, at least I think it's mine, where cold reality meets once upon a time. I'm almost all grown up, it's time to realize your little princess is a party girl inside. More Starbucks, what's for more bucks, bills not even due. More drama with my mama, so what else is new? More retail therapy, there's issues to work through. There's so many pretty things that I'm addicted to.